Hi and welcome to the Backend Masterclass. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to create a free tier AWS account to deploy your applications. AWS is one of the biggest cloud service provider at the moment. They provide a very wide range of infrastructures and services, which make deploying and managing applications super easy. And one great thing about AWS is that they give everyone a free tier offer to use some of their services for free. Of course, with some specific constraints. You can learn more about it by going to aws.amazon.com/free. There are 3 types of free offers, depending on the product. Some of the services are always free. Most of the services are free for 12 months following your initial sign-up date. And the rest of the services are short-term free trial only. You can use this filter to list out only the services with some specific tier types you want. And on the right-hand side, you can see the list of services with their free tier constraint. For example, you're given 750 hours per month for an EC2 instance of type T2 micro or T3 micro, 5 GB of S3 standard storage, and 750 hours per month of relational database service. These services are free for 12 months, while for DynamoDB it's always free, but with only 25 GB of storage. And for SageMaker, it's only free trial for 2 months. There are many more services you can try for free. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Now let's learn how to create a new account and take advantages of this free tier offer. In this sign-up form, let's fill in the email, the password, confirm password, and the AWS account name. Then click Continue. Next step, we have to fill in more info. First, how do you plan to use AWS? Let's say for business. Then you must provide your contact information, your full name, your organization, your phone number, your country, your address, your city, your postal code. Check this box to agree to the terms and click Continue. Oh, we have to provide the state, province or region as well. Alright, let's click Continue. Now comes the most important step. We have to provide the billing information to pay for the service. But for the free tier, we won't be charged for usage below the limit. And for now, they will temporarily hold $1 as a pending transaction for a few days, just to verify the identity. So let's go ahead and fill in the card number, the expiration date, the cardholder's name, and the billing address. Then let's click Verify and Continue. I guess $1 has just been subtracted from your account. In the next step, we must verify our phone number. You can choose to receive the verification code either by SMS or voice call. Select the country or region code and fill in your phone number. We have to type the security check captcha characters as well. Then click Send SMS. Now you should have received a message with the verification code on your phone. All you need to do is to fill that code in this box and click Continue. That brings us to the last step. Select a support plan. Either a free basic support plan, a developer support plan from $29 per month, or a business support plan from $100 per month. For this demo, I'm just gonna select basic support. And finally, click Complete Sign Up. And that's it. We've successfully created a new AWS account. It will be activated in a few minutes, and we will receive a confirmation email once it is complete. Now let's press this button to go to the AWS Management Console. We will sign in as root user. Let's fill in the email address we used to sign up here and click Next. Then we must fill in the CAPTCHA text. It's just to verify that a real person is trying to sign in, not some kind of bot. Now click Submit. Fill in your account password and click Sign in. And voila, we're now inside the AWS Management Console. On the top left menu, you can find a long list of all AWS services. Or you can search for just one specific service in this box. Let's try EC2. Oh, looks like the service is not fully activated, so we will need to wait a little bit more. Usually it takes just a few minutes for an account to be fully activated, but sometimes it can be longer than that. Alright, let's go back to the console and try to access S3. Cool, we can access S3, so I guess the account has been fully activated. Let's try EC2 again. Awesome, we can access EC2 service now. On the left-hand side menu, you can list all instances or search for some EC2 instance types in this page. There are many different types of instance with different configurations and prices. For example, the T2 medium instance will have 2 virtual CPUs, 4 GB of memory, and here's its price. You should keep in mind that not all instances are available for free tier. So let's use this filter to find the free one. Here you can see only T2.micro instance with 1 virtual CPU and 1 GB of memory is eligible for free tier. So you should be very careful when choosing the resources for your system. Otherwise, you might find out someday that they're not free as you expected. Alright, so today we have learned how to create a free AWS account to prepare for the deployment of our application. In the upcoming lectures, I will gradually show you how to use some of the most important AWS services, such as ECR, RDS, and EKS, to deploy the Simple Bank web application that we've been working on during this course. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Happy learning and see you soon in the next one.